tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Octavia, aka 00 Styles, and thank you so much for tuning back in. If you are new to me, press the subscribe button and make sure you press that notification button so when I post that next video, you will get that notification and you will be ready and prepared to view it, okay? So today we're doing another Butta lace wig. This is Butta unit number 5 this time. And I'm extremely excited about it because the fact that it's Black History Month and then the fact that his hair is full, like big and full, it gives me Black History vibes because, you know, our people, we're known for having that big hair, that personality within our hair, okay? We don't always have our hair straight, okay? We don't always have our hair, you know, like flat iron. Most of the time our natural hair is full of life and just big and just out there, and you can't miss it. So I'm really excited about this wig. This is what we've been doing. This grows out of our hair, okay? This what grows out of our hair. I don't really know how to do my real hair like this, so that's why I'm sticking with my wigs, okay? So let's get into it. So this is how the card looks right here. And it has the part, shows you your parting. It's Butta lace. Has pre-plucked in its natural density. And it blends in with most skin tones. So that's why I really love Butta lace, and I just know I'm getting this wig, okay? Yeah. This is how Unit 5 looks. Let me take this off. Go away. Okay. You see? And it has your edges right here in the front, and it has the lace right here. 3 combs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. Alright, let me cut this lace. So this is the outcome of the wig, guys. I am so in love with this wig because it just definitely, like, all these Butta lace wigs are so full of life for me. Like, this one is very new for me because I never wore a wig like this before, but I am so excited that I got it because it's just something different for me, okay? I love it. I'm glad I gave it a chance. And I just love the curl. The curl is just so beautiful. This gives me such a natural vibe. And all I did with this wig, all I did was cut the lace. I sprayed some Got To Be Glued right here in the center and pressed down a little bit on the lace. That's kind of shown just a little bit, but you can't really see it now because it blends in with the skin so good. So that's why I love Butta lace, because it just, once you spray that stuff on, the lace, it just melts on your head like easily, okay? I did add some foundation to the center of the part because I wanted my part to stand out a little bit more, and I did this just a little bit, just a little bit, so I don't pull out all the curls and make it come out a little bit more, since it was kind of stuff in the box. I'm in love, okay? So let me turn around, let me show you the back. How it's looking back there, how it's looking. It's good. It's the wig for me. It's the curls for me. Yeah. I am in love, okay? Y'all already know I'm thinking of different outfits that I'm planning to wear with this, especially since it's Black History Month. I am definitely playing tribute with this hair, with some type of outfit, and I know y'all better wait till the end of this video because y'all know how I do, okay? Y'all know I gotta show y'all my look, okay? When I put on my new wigs, a new look has to be made. Full look, okay? Full look in action. Would you let your curls pop, honey? Because I know I definitely am. Well, anyways, I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys love this hair. Let me know in the comments how you feel about this hair. Do you like it? Do you love it? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you press the subscribe button if you hadn't already. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching.